Valley Forge, and we've got main man here, Bo Jordan. He's here. He's giving us a lift with this because it's a two-man job, and what we're doing, we've got some 20mm round bar, and we're making a fancy table. So we've got making some legs out of this, and we've got wavy rollers in, and we're going to bash it to death. So it comes out a bit something like that, so on every side. So what we're going to do is just ram this in. Go for it, go! Right, go on. Fire it through. So that goes through there, one side, so as you can imagine it, keep going right through. Gone through top and bottom. Now I'm going to put it through again on its top and bottom again. So I'll run it through again. Go. Go. So let me get on a bit of a grip. Go. We've got north, east, south and west. We'll go south, east, south, west, north, west, east, west, west, south, south, west, south, east. Bang it in. And again. Oh, you see the top bit there. Hang on. Get onto these and I'll just guide it in. So we're going to keep onto that and try and guide it in so it's going top and bottom. Keep doing this with this machine. Once again. So you get general gist. So he's bashing it about 4 or 5 times. We'll just get that other ending on. Chop these up, bring them over here. Usual fag packet drawing for a customer who wants a table, so we've got 3 parts to this. So I've chopped it up, got it in here, start bending it by hand to original master that we've got there. So we've got that going there like that, and so on and so forth. And what I've got here is 50mm balls, swarming up nicely in forge. Great balls of fire! We're giving these a bit of a whacking on here, smash them up, so when you're feeling a bit stressed, because you haven't had a beer all frigging month, this is a great job. Bit of stress relief. So we smash them like this, just to give them a bit of texture. So, these are going on into these. I'll show you right sharpish because we've got loads of stuff going on. So they look a bit like meteorites or something. And we're going to put these on here, and they're going to be like 3 of them welded together. Still warm. And then a bit of glass up top. A little coffee table. We've got some of these going on. Some 20mm grooved fishtail on mix. Put these in here. Joe's been on with. And a bit of that going on. So rakes and brakes and scrolls, they're all over the shop. 16 up around here. So we had a bit of this before, but we're doing them cubic twists. Well, these are just going to be twisted as normal for another job. So we're in here. Programming, bish bash bosh, Got hundreds of these to do, so they come out all uniform like that, and then we take them up to welding bench over here. What we've got, I'm going to sit drawing here. We've got all these little gothic arches with a twist and a bush on there, and that's going to go into this gate. So I'm making a jig up here, chuck my rattle yonder, and basically grind these down, weld these up. So, take both sides of them. And as you say on Blue Feet, here's one I polished up and made that earlier, so they're going in. So don't forget, get yourself down here this year for all your gate needs, no job too small, no job too big, and making Bob Swift at North Valley Forge City.